Okay, so now you're doing...
I'm cleaning out the valve stem hole.
Okay.
So then she fits in there nice. So
Okay.
when we put in this,
Okay.
it'll sit in there properly how it's supposed to.
All right.
And be airtight.
So that actually just sits rubber against metal too. So that has to be a perfect seal as well,
Yeah,
eh?
it's got to be all cleaned up.
Nice. You want me to...
There's one fault he has. He's wiping his hands on his pants.
Every time I went fishing, I used to come back, my mother would say, you know, why do you wipe your hands on your pants? They're full of worms. What are you putting on there?
This soap, it's soap for taking the tire off the rim, so
Yep.
it moves it up, but it also softens the rubber up.
Okay.
So then it's easier to scrape all the crap off.
You guys got a couple black flies out here in Emsdale, eh?
Mm-hmm.
You're like me, I'm new. And I'll pause again because you're probably just doing the same thing on the other side, right?
Yes.
Okay.